guys, it's Tamisha from Toolbox Divas, and this year, without a doubt, the holidays are going to look and feel a lot different. For starters, we won't be able to socialize like we normally would with our family and friends. And as for shopping, it will be a bit different experience as well. So, to minimize your exposure and shopping concerns, I am super excited to announce my partnership with the Home Depot. This year, the Home Depot will be improving the way we do Black Friday. Black Friday will no longer be a one-day event. Nope. Starting early November through early December, in every aisle across the store and online, while supplies last, you can shop at your own pace, take advantage of online shopping, curbside pickup, and free delivery on many items. And the Home Depot has given me a sneak peek at the seasonal outdoor and maintenance items that you'll find online and in stores during this Black Friday event. And I'll showcase how you can take advantage of the savings you find at the Home Depot and decorate your front entry this holiday season, as well as share a few items that will make great gifts for someone special or for yourself. All right, guys, let's get started. So let's start with things that'll spruce it up your front entry. The Ryobi edger and blower combo is an excellent buy, as well as the electric pressure washer for $68. You cannot beat that price. So I've been wanting to add walkway lights to my front entry for the longest time, so I was super excited to see these LED spike lights. Installation is a breeze. Simply plug it into the inline extension cord and cover the cord with mulch. And to prevent the power from tripping, cover the extension cord with these cord covers. Now for holiday lights. You will find a huge array of holiday lights at the Home Depot. And I love these net coverings for shrubs. Next, you'll find a huge savings on ornaments, garland, and ribbon. I like using undecorated garland because I like to customize it with my own choice of ribbon and ornaments, and I tend to change these out every year because every year I always have like a different theme. So I love this concept. Now, of course, I couldn't get away with decorating my front entry without doing some sort of woodworking project. So I'm making a small little bench where I could put decorative items on display. And that leads me to the next item in which you will find huge savings. For $2.99, you will find the DeWalt Atomic 20 Volt Max 5 Toolkit with 2 batteries, charger, and bag. That's an $875 value. Also, you'll find a Gorilla Ladders compact steel step stool for under $10, which comes in very handy when hanging decorations outside. And the Lockley Model S Deadbolt Smart Lock is reduced to $99 from $149. Now I'm going to program when my lights turn on by plugging in this really easy digital plug-in timer. All of the items that I use to decorate my front entry you will find at the new and improved Black Friday event at the Home Depot. Prices start now through December while supplies last. And I absolutely love these inflatables. These inflatables, along with the laser light projector, make putting up holiday lights a breeze. And taking it down won't be that difficult as well. All of these items can be found at homedepot.com, and you can have them delivered or you can have them sent to the store for curbside pickup. And Black Friday 2020 starts November 6th. So I hope I was able to inspire you in ways in which you can do Black Friday without the crowds to keep your spirits up and stress down. All right, guys, till next time.